Robert. Come on, Robert. Oh, he's going over the pillow. To the right. He's good. Smile! You're on candid camera! Hey, Robert! Nice one, Robert! What'd you say? Well, what do you have to say?
It's Alistair!
Hey there! Already?
Yeah,
Alright. So, what did you think of Wapanisha then?
Oh, it was great.
What
What
a
taste?
From Beneath the Waves, it was even nicer, huh?
Yes.
All right, another year, another good time.